So now onto the mouse. This is the mouse over here. You can have a look at it there. Bring it up close to the camera, you can have a look at some of the detailing on the mouse. See, this is the metal scroll wheel. I expected it to be quite heavy. I'm sure with the battery in it, it'll be a lot heavier. I enjoy heavier mice because it feels like something substantial that you're playing with. You can see over here is the application switch button. This over here is your dots per inch change out button, or buttons. There's 3 of them here. So you can up your DPI, you can lower your DPI, you can make it your preset setting. Over here you can see there's 2 side buttons, which are pretty cool, considering the fact that on my previous mouse, I'll show you here, on my previous mouse the backwards and forwards buttons were over here, and when I use it I don't actually get immediate access to these buttons. I actually have to move my hand around and take it off of the comfort of the mouse, and it feels like it's going to fall out of my hand. This one here, on the other hand, puts it right underneath your thumb, and you don't need to lose control of the mouse. Obviously the standard left right click buttons. This is your scroll wheel, which goes from left to right, and also center click. A nice smooth click scroll action. This one was a pretty loud, you can actually hear how loud that one is. It's probably just from extensive use though. Over here is your macros button. That's used for recording your macros for your games and stuff. I'm not too sure whether it has onboard memory or not. I haven't actually checked fully into that. And over here is a little LCD readout that tells you what DPI you're running at. It's got this little 4000 sticker on it at the moment. We'll take that piece of stuff off. Nice sleek black. And then obviously when the mouse is on, then it'll come up as a digital representation of well, what your DPI is. Okay, yeah, so left, right, these 3 buttons over here, left, right on the scroll wheel, down is the center mouse button, application switching, back and forward, or whichever way you like it, macro button over here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go. Underneath of the mouse, these are your pads over here. I'll show you how to take them out. You just stick your thumbnail in the side and they kind of pop out, which is pretty cool. Alright, there's your on-off switch over there. So this is the area where the magnetic switch for your charging wire goes in. So if we grab that now, let me have a look-see here. Grab that, and you can see like underneath there's the connectors, and there's the connectors over there. We just turn that over, we pop it in, and it's like an immediate magnetic effect. It's a pretty strong magnet as well, so I doubt that you're going to lose any connectivity or charging time, because that magnet is pretty staunch, as you can see. And it's actually got quite a nice little recessed area for the plug to go in, which is quite cool. The silver underside I'm not too keen on, but you know, products are products, and if the product works for you well enough, you don't have to worry about the colors too much. Inside here, this is obviously where the battery goes and where the tracking light comes out of, or the laser. And we'll push this back, open it up. As you can see, that's the inside. This is the battery bay over here. This is the tracking laser right over here. And all this other stuff obviously details specifications for the mouse, the laser, and all that kind of stuff, and obviously the genuine Microsoft product and all that kind of thing. What we're going to do is we're going to pop the battery in, trying to see which way this puppy goes. Okay, it says that it must go, what you call it, knobbly side up. So we'll obviously put that in there first. And there you go. If we switch the mouse on now, you can see that there's the tracking light comes on. There you can see the little LCD on the side, which looks pretty cool. I think if we press up and down, I don't know if you can see the change in the numbers. There you go. There you go. There you go. 1000. Obviously then indicating on the top here which button you've actually pressed. And I think in the set point software you'll probably be able to customize these settings. And yeah, just a brilliant looking little, you can see the light coming out the back there, looks like some kind of alien setup. Yeah, alien setup. I like the lights underneath. So you can see what it looks like on the So then obviously, and also it's a relatively large mouse compared to my last one. That's that mouse over there. Take my last wired mouse. Kind of looks similar, but the bridge on this mouse feels a lot better. It feels like my hand's more relaxed on this mouse. My finger falls off quite nicely on the side here. Whereas this mouse over here, my finger just had to seat on an area on the side of the mouse over here, which is, it's okay. I mean, it's a brilliant mouse. Like the ones that I had before were pretty shit. Obviously left right click, you can see the extensive use that this mouse has been through. See, it's starting to lose its DPI switch, imprints, application switching. I don't know if you can see on the side there underneath here how I've worn away at this area over here, and just the base of this over here, just see how that's worn away. This mouse has lasted me for 4 years. This mouse cost me 700 Rand when I bought it initially. This mouse, 825, so an extra 100 Rand for this mouse. Let's hope it lasts me for 4 years as well. So there you go. You got the mouse. You got its little wireless transmitter with its USB cable. That's a wind up storage area for its charging cable, as you can see. And I would imagine that it obviously has some kind of little light over here that indicates that it's charging or it's sending transmitting signal or something like that. If you open the top, and again you can see the track pads for underneath the mouse. Oh, I better put this little cover back on. Okay, there we go. Cover back on. Instructional information, discs, sidewinder, quick start guide, throwaway information, all of that kind of stuff. There you go. Have a nice squiz at what you get with this package. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that. Nothing amazing, but it should be a brilliant mouse to use. I'm looking forward to giving it a go. And I'll give it a try and let you guys know how it goes, if I get to that.